Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Rhulani Mokoena and Benny McCarthy are not among the candidates for the Bafana Bafana post, as SAFA stepped up the process to replace outgoing head coach Hugo Broos. The Belgian coach's 5-year tenure at the helm of South Africa has ended, but there's been talks that he might continue working for SAFA in a different capacity. Fresh from the 2026 FIFA World Cup, where Bafana Bafana made history by going past the group stages for the first time in the country's history. There's also sentiment that he should remain as a coach of the national team, while Hugo Broos indicated that he would retire from football after the World Cup. He has appeared to have a change of mind, saying that he will decide in the next few weeks. However, SAFA are busy pursuing CVs submitted by coaches interested in replacing Broos. The local football governing body intends to have a new coach start to work by the 1st of August and ahead of the 2027 AFCON qualifiers that will kick off in September. That gives them around 3 weeks to conclude the process for the man who will replace the history-making Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos. And Pitso Mosimane has tendered his application to return to the Bafana Bafana fold after his unsuccessful stint with Bafana between 2010 and 2012. But over the years, he has carved a colorful coaching profile, leading Mamelodi Sundowns to CAF Champions League, and he won 2 more CAF Champions League with Al Ahly. And South Africa Sports Minister Gayton McKenzie has come out begging Pitso Mosimane to succeed Hugo Broos. And the 61-year-old has coached in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Iran in his illustrious career, being a success in most of the clubs that he has coached. Mokoena, who's in Libya, in charge of Al Ittihad SC, has not taken a shot at the Bafana job. The 39-year-old never worked in any national side, having been involved in club football throughout his coaching career so far. Despite being linked to the Bafana role, Mokoena has not submitted his application for the position. While also, there are people who are asking for Bafana Bafana's all-time top goal scorer, Benny McCarthy. He has not applied for the job also. But what we have learned is that Arthur Zwane has thrown his head into the ring to replace Hugo Broos. The former Kaizer Chiefs coach is currently with AmaZulu, and he led them to position 4 in the Betway Premiership last season. The 52-year-old is not new to the national setup, having previously been an assistant to Molefi Ntsiki before Hugo Broos took over. And we heard that he is being considered for the role of Bafana Bafana's assistant coach. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Benny McCarthy and also Rhulani not applying for the job, and Arthur Zwane throwing his name into the hat for the job, for the assistant job of Bafana Bafana or the coaching job of Bafana Bafana, either of the two? What we know is that Pitso Mosimane is the leading candidate to take over at Bafana Bafana, with Arthur Zwane earmarked as his assistant coach. And while AmaZulu FC head coach Arthur Zwane has officially put his name forward for the Bafana Bafana head coaching role, we know that AmaZulu FC owner Sandile Zungu has come forward for the SAFA presidency role, meaning that both the coach and the owner of the team, they want to lead Bafana Bafana as the president and the other one as the coach of the national team. Now, according to reports, SAFA wants a hierarchy that consists of Pitso Mosimane as the head coach, Arthur Zwane as the assistant coach, and Helman Mkhelele will be deployed in a different role. They haven't disclosed which role that will be.